What does the future of energy look like? As the world confronts the realities of climate change, the pursuit for sustainable energy sources becomes ever more crucial. Today, we're turning the spotlight on the most recent developments and trends in this exciting field. From solar and wind power innovations to advancements in battery technology, we're exploring the cutting-edge solutions that are shaping our energy future. So, without further ado, let's delve into the exciting and rapidly evolving world of sustainable energy. Solar energy, harnessing the power of the sun, has been a frontrunner in the clean energy race. This renewable energy source is evolving at an impressive pace, with breakthroughs in solar panel technology leading the way. The latest solar panels are more efficient than ever, converting up to 22% of sunlight into electricity. That's a big step forward from the 15% efficiency of panels just a few decades ago. These newer panels use advanced materials like perovskite, which has proven to be a game changer in increasing the efficiency and reducing the cost of solar power. But it's not just about individual solar panels anymore. The concept of solar farms has taken root, with vast arrays of solar panels harvesting the sun's energy on a grand scale. These farms, spread over acres of land or floating on bodies of water, are capable of generating power on a scale comparable to traditional power plants. They're popping up around the globe, from the sunny deserts of North Africa to the floating solar farms in China, and they're making a significant contribution to the global energy mix. The solar energy sector is also buzzing with the potential of solar windows. These are essentially transparent solar panels that can be incorporated into the windows of buildings. They're still in the early stages of development, but the potential is huge. Imagine skyscrapers becoming power generators, contributing to the city's energy supply. And let's not forget about the potential of solar paint, which can turn any surface into a solar energy harvester. It's still in the lab stages, but the idea of painting our homes with solar paint and generating electricity is a tantalizing glimpse into a sustainable future. Solar technology is also pairing with other advancements. For example, solar-powered water purifiers are providing clean drinking water in remote areas, and solar-powered drones are improving agricultural practices. Looking ahead, the future of solar energy is bright. With continued advancements in efficiency, the development of solar farms, and the potential of solar windows and paints, solar power promises to play a significant role in our sustainable energy future. It's an exciting time to be following the evolution of solar energy, as scientists and innovators continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. The sun, our most abundant energy source, continues to promise a bright future for sustainable energy. The wind, a powerful and plentiful resource, is another key player in the renewable energy field. Harnessing the wind's energy is not a new concept. Windmills have been a staple of many landscapes for centuries, but the technology to capture and convert this power has made significant strides in recent years. Let's start with the heart of wind power, the turbine. Modern turbines are becoming larger, more powerful, and more efficient. Some of these giants stand taller than the Statue of Liberty, with blades stretching over 2 football fields in length. These larger turbines can generate enough electricity to power thousands of homes. The technology within these turbines has also advanced. From improved aerodynamic design to smarter software controls, these advancements allow turbines to capture more wind and convert it into electricity more efficiently. Some turbines even have the ability to adjust their blade angle based on wind speed and direction, maximizing their energy production. But it's not just the turbines that are evolving. Where we place them is changing too. Offshore wind farms are growing in popularity. These farms, located out at sea, take advantage of the stronger, more consistent winds found over the ocean. The first offshore wind farm was installed in Denmark in the early 90s, and since then, countries around the globe have followed suit. Today, offshore wind farms are providing substantial amounts of clean, renewable energy to countries like the United Kingdom, Germany, and China. Looking to the future, the potential of wind power is immense. As technology continues to improve and as more areas open up to the possibility of wind power, the role of wind in our energy mix is set to grow. We're even starting to see the development of floating wind farms, which can be placed in deep waters where the wind is even stronger. Wind power is also an essential component of a diversified renewable energy strategy. It complements other forms of renewable energy like solar power. When the sun isn't shining, the wind often is, and vice versa. This synergy helps to ensure a consistent supply of renewable energy. Wind power is more than just a breath of fresh air. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt and make use of the resources available to us. It's clean, it's sustainable, and it's becoming increasingly efficient and affordable. The wind carries with it the potential to significantly contribute to our energy future. Scene script. Energy storage is as crucial as energy generation. This brings us to the advancements in battery technology. The importance of energy storage is often underestimated. However, it's a game changer in the sustainable energy landscape. Why? Because it's not always sunny or windy, but we still need power, right? So storing energy when it's abundant and using it when it's scarce is key. Battery technology is the driving force behind this. It's not just about powering your smartphones or laptops anymore. It's about storing energy on a large scale, and that's where the real magic happens. Lithium-ion batteries have been leading the pack for years. They're in your phones, in your laptops, and even in electric cars. They're popular because they're reliable, rechargeable, and they have a high energy density. That means they can store a lot of energy in a small space. But they're not perfect. They can overheat, they degrade over time, and the lithium they use isn't exactly abundant. So what's next? Solid-state batteries. These are the next big thing in battery technology. They replace the liquid electrolyte in lithium-ion batteries with a solid one. This makes them safer, more durable, and they can store even more energy. It's still early days, but the potential is massive. And then we have flow batteries. These are different. They store energy in liquid electrolyte solutions. The cool thing about flow batteries is that they can be scaled up easily, just by using larger tanks. This makes them perfect for storing large amounts of energy, like from a wind farm or a solar power plant. But it's not just about new types of batteries. It's also about making batteries more efficient, more durable, and more cost-effective. And that's exactly what researchers and companies around the world are working on. With continuing advancements, batteries are set to play a pivotal role in our sustainable energy future. Green hydrogen is emerging as a promising player in the clean energy landscape. The concept of green hydrogen might sound like something straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's a very real and tangible force in the world of clean energy. But what is green hydrogen? In simple terms, it's hydrogen that's produced through a process called electrolysis, where electricity, preferably from renewable sources, is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. The resulting hydrogen is a clean-burning fuel that emits only water when used, making it a potentially game-changing resource in our efforts to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. Now, let's delve a little deeper. The true potential of green hydrogen lies in its versatility. It can be used in fuel cells to generate electricity, it can be burned in a combustion engine just like natural gas, and it can even be used as a raw material in certain industrial processes. One of the most exciting developments in this field is the advancement in hydrogen fuel cells. These devices convert the chemical energy in hydrogen and an oxidizing agent directly into electricity. The byproduct? You guessed it, just plain water. Fuel cells are not only highly efficient, but also silent and vibration-free, making them ideal for use in vehicles and other machinery. The production of green hydrogen has also seen significant advancements. While traditional methods of producing hydrogen are often energy-intensive and rely on fossil fuels, newer methods are leaning towards renewable energy sources. For example, solar and wind power are being used to provide the electricity needed for electrolysis, making the production of green hydrogen even cleaner. However, despite these promising developments, there are still challenges to overcome. The production of green hydrogen is currently more expensive than traditional methods, and efficient storage and transportation of hydrogen are still areas that require improvement. But with the pace of innovation in this field, these hurdles are likely to be overcome. Hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, holds significant potential for our clean energy future. As we continue to innovate and advance, It's exciting to think about the role that green hydrogen could play in a sustainable, carbon-free world. The future of transportation is electric. Consider for a moment the astounding progress we've seen in the electric vehicle or EV market. It's no longer just a niche for the environmentally conscious, it's a booming global industry. Automakers around the world, from established giants to ambitious startups, are racing to develop the most efficient, powerful, and affordable electric vehicles. The latest models are a testament to this rapid innovation. Cars powered entirely by electricity that can travel hundreds of miles on a single charge, reach impressive speeds, and yet produce zero tailpipe emissions. Electric trucks that can haul heavy loads over long distances. Electric buses transforming public transportation in cities worldwide. And let's not forget electric bikes and scooters, offering a green alternative for short-distance travel. But an electric vehicle is only as green as the electricity that charges it. That's why the development of clean, renewable energy sources is so crucial. It's a holistic approach, where the growth of EVs and renewable energy go hand in hand. Now, an electric vehicle is great, but it's not much use if you can't charge it easily and quickly. That's where innovations in EV charging infrastructure come into play. We're seeing the rollout of super-fast charging stations, capable of charging an EV battery to 80% in as little as 20 minutes. These aren't just in cities, but along highways and in rural areas too, making long-distance travel in an EV a practical reality. And then there are exciting developments in wireless charging technology, where you simply park your EV over a charging pad, no cables required. Imagine a future where roads themselves could charge your EV as you drive, a concept that's already being tested. So what's the takeaway here? Electric vehicles aren't just a trend, they're a revolution. A revolution in how we think about travel, about energy, about our impact on the planet. And with each technological leap, with each new model rolling off the production line, we're steering away from fossil fuels and towards a sustainable future. Electric vehicles are driving us towards a cleaner, greener future. The transition to sustainable energy also demands a modernized electrical grid. But why is this so crucial, you may wonder? Well, it's like this. Our conventional power grids were designed for a different era, one that didn't have to consider renewable energy sources or the challenges of climate change. In today's world, we need a power grid that can handle the complex demands of sustainable energy. This is where the concept of smart grids comes into play. Simply put, smart grids are an upgrade of the traditional power grid, using digital technology to monitor and manage the transport of electricity from all generation sources to meet the varying electricity demands of end users. The beauty of smart grids lies in their ability to optimize energy distribution. They're designed to be responsive and adaptive. They can handle the ebb and flow of power from renewable sources like wind and solar, which can be unpredictable and intermittent. Smart grids also play a crucial role in reducing energy waste. They can identify and resolve faults in the system, minimizing the duration and impact of power outages. They can even allow consumers to become active participants in the energy system, for example by selling excess solar power back to the grid. Moreover, smart grids can integrate various energy storage solutions, ensuring that excess power generated during peak production times isn't wasted, but stored and used when needed. Now, modernizing our grids is no small task. It requires significant investment and a commitment to long-term planning. But the benefits are clear. A modern, smart grid can manage the complex demands of renewable energy, optimize power distribution, reduce waste, and ultimately pave the way for a more sustainable future. In essence, smart grids are more than just infrastructure. They're a way of thinking about and managing energy in a world increasingly reliant on renewable sources. And as we move towards a greener future, remember this: smart grids are the backbone of a sustainable energy infrastructure. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing the renewable energy sector. These cutting-edge technologies are not just buzzwords. They're the secret sauce behind the advancements that are propelling us towards a greener future. Let's start with artificial intelligence. AI is being leveraged to predict the energy output of renewable resources. It's like having a virtual weatherman who can forecast exactly how much energy the sun and wind will produce at any given time. This allows for better management of the power grid, ensuring that energy is not wasted but used optimally. Now, let's talk about machine learning. Machine learning algorithms are being employed to constantly improve the efficiency of renewable energy systems. Imagine a self-learning system that gets better with each passing day. It's like having a personal trainer for your energy system, one who learns your routine, adapts to your needs, and constantly pushes you to do better. In addition, these technologies are also instrumental in predictive maintenance. They can identify potential issues and rectify them before they become a major problem. This not only saves costs, but also ensures the continued generation of clean energy without interruptions. AI and machine learning are also playing a key role in the evolution of smart grids. By analyzing massive amounts of data, these technologies can optimize energy distribution, reducing waste and improving efficiency. In the world of sustainable energy, AI and machine learning are game changers. They are paving the way for a greener, more sustainable future. And the best part, this is just the beginning. The future of energy is exciting and full of potential. We've journeyed through solar innovation, wind power advancements, and game-changing battery technologies. We've seen the promise of green hydrogen and the rise of electric vehicles, and understood the pivotal role of smart grids and AI in shaping our energy future. These trends are not just about technology. They're about shaping a sustainable, resilient world, where energy is clean, abundant, and accessible to all. It's a future that we can all contribute to, in big ways and small. So, stay informed. Keep learning about these fascinating developments. And let's not just watch the future unfold, let's actively participate. Advocate for policies that support renewable energy. Consider renewable options for your home or business. Encourage others to do the same. The future is green, and it's in our hands to make it a reality. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of sustainable energy. We hope you found our exploration enlightening and that you're as excited as we are about these game-changing trends. If you found this video valuable, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on our next deep dive into the world of tomorrow. Remember, the future of energy is in our hands. Until next time, stay green and stay informed.